Okay, so subtracting polynomials is very similar to adding polynomials. However, there's an extra step that we have to do first. So let's look at letter A. Our directions are still to simplify and write in standard form, but when we're subtracting, we have to take care of this negative sign. So that negative sign matters. It's not like adding where none of the signs change, right? But when we have a negative, that means we have to apply it to every single thing inside the parentheses, which that should look something like distributive property, right? So when I apply this negative into everything inside the parentheses, I'm going to get negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 8. So I just changed all the signs to everything inside my parentheses. Now we're going to do the same thing as adding, because now all the signs are changed. Now we can just go right ahead and start adding. So I'm just going to write this first polynomial, at the front, so we can start at the beginning. And it's going to become plus that guy. Okay, so now let's talk about like terms. I see 6x squared. And I see negative 3x squared. 6 minus 3 is going to be 3, and then I keep the x squared. Now the next one. I see 3x, and I see negative 5x. So 3 minus 5, that's negative 2x. And then lastly, let's see. I need a new color. Ooh, let's do pink. Negative 2 and positive 8. That's the same thing as 8 minus 2, which is positive 6. And there we go. We subtracted polynomials, and that is my answer.